Okay, student, we are now again at chapter complex number, exercise 5.1, question number 10. Okay, what is the question? Actually, again the same type question. Express the given complex number in the form a plus iv. Again we have to express in terms of a plus iv. Question is what? Minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I whole cube. Okay, then let us solve it. Then at first we take minus common here. Minus, then this becomes minus, that is 2 plus I by 3. Okay, minus 2, then we have taken minus, then this is 2, and here we have taken minus, then this is 1 into I by 3, and whole to the power. Okay, then what we know? We know that if power is odd on negative, it will be negative. Okay, then minus I minus to the power cube, that is minus. Okay, and this is now what? 2 plus I by 3 whole cube. Then we have just studied in previous question, take it as A, take it as B, then we know that A plus B whole cube equal to what? A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. Okay, then according to this formula we just put, and if this is we have taken minus to the power cube. Okay, here we have taken minus 3 minus 2 plus I by 3. Okay, minus to the power 3 2 plus I by 3. Okay, here minus 2 to the power 3, that is minus, and 2 plus I 3. Okay, then here minus with a cube, take cube of 3, 2, this is a cube plus b cube, that means I by 3 whole cube plus 3 a square. A square means a to the power 2 and b. B means I by. Okay, then this is your a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b. Okay, now 3 a means what? 2 and 2 b square. B square means I by 3 to the power square. Okay, now this becomes minus, this is what? 2 to the power 3 cube, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and this is what? I to the power cube, I cube, 3 to the power cube, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Okay, and here just cancel out, then this becomes 2 square means 4 into I 4I, and this becomes 3 into 6 2 6, and this is I to the power 2, that is I square, and this is 3 to the power square means 9. Okay, then cancel it out, 3, and this is 2. Okay, then this becomes minus 8 plus what we know? I to the power cube we know already, I cube equal to I square into I square equal to minus 1 and to I, that means minus I. Okay, this is I to the power equal to minus I divided by 27. Okay, now this is 4I. Okay, and now this is 2 by 3 and I square. Okay, then write down here minus minus 8, this is plus minus, that's this plus into minus minus I by 27, okay, and this becomes plus 4I, okay, and this is what, 2 by 3 into I square means minus 1, okay, then this becomes what, minus, this is now 8, this is minus I 27, and this is 4I. You can take here common, okay, then just write down 4I, and this is your 2 into minus 1 minus 2 by 3, okay, 2 by 3. What we are going to do here, minus this one is real number, take it together, minus what is here, 8 by 1, this one, and this is minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, okay, and now take it here common I, and when you take I common, this becomes 4, or 4 by 1, 4, and this is equal to what, 1 by 27, minus 1 by 27, okay, and here the bracket closes. Now this becomes what, minus, here take 3 LCM, and this is what, 3, 1 divided by 3, 3 at the 24, okay, and this is 3 divided by 3, 1 minus 1 into 2, 2, okay, and this one, and now here I, and here let us take LCM, 27, then 27, 1 divided 27, 4 ja 100, okay, 27 4 ja 100, minus 27 divided by 27, 1 into 1 minus, okay, then here what it is in bit thing, it is converted, 24 minus 2, that is 22 by 3, okay, and this is what, plus I 108 minus 1, that is 107 by what, 27, okay, I 24 minus 2, that is 22 by 3, plus I, and this is 108 minus 1, 107 by 27, and now this becomes what, minus 22 by 3, okay, and this becomes minus, plus minus 107 by 27, okay, okay, then what is here is, this one is A minus 22 by 3, and this one is B, here I is left, I, then this is what, I, and this one is B, then what is A equal to, minus 22 by 3, and this is B equal to what, B equal to 107 minus 107 divided by 27, okay, okay.